Hello and welcome to Omega Study Online. In this video, we are going to discuss about class 10th science assignment for October month. Basically, in this assignment, we have a 5 question, and in this video, we are going to discuss about all the 5 question. So let's start from question number 1. So this is the question number 1, in which you have to comparison between Medley periodic table and Mosley modern periodic table. So let's start. Answer number 1 is Medley arranged only 63 elements in his periodic table, whereas Mosley arranged 118 elements in his periodic table. In this periodic table, properties of element are the periodic function of atomic mass, and in a second, periodic properties of element are periodic function of atomic number. Third difference, in this periodic table, place of hydrogen is not defined or fixed. Third, in this periodic table, place of hydrogen is fixed or defined. Fourth difference, in this periodic table, there is no place for noble gases like neon, argon, krypton. In this periodic table, noble gases are fixed places, that is in group 18. Fifth difference, there are empty place in periodic table for upcoming new elements. There is no empty place in this periodic table. In this way, your question number 1 has been completed. I hope you like. If you like this explanation, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Also share this video to your friends. Let's talk about the question number 2. The solution of question number 2 will be like this. We get blue color of flower in first filial generation. It can be expressed in the following way. So in this way, you have to draw the diagram also, because this is most important for this question. And second answer is, when plant of F1 generation are self-pollinated, then its diagram will be like this, and we get blue and white color of flower. In a second generation, have three blue flower and one white flower. So percentage of white flower plant is equal to white flower plant into 100 divided by total plant in F2, means second generation. So we get finally 25%. Now third part of question 2. In second generation, ratio of genotype plant is equal to 1:2:1. So in this way, question number 2 is completed. Now let's talk about the question number 3. In a question number 3, we have to find out the electronic configuration of nitrogen and phosphorus. So electronic configuration of nitrogen will be 1s square, 2s square, 2p3, and the electronic configuration of phosphorus will be 1s square, 2s square, 2p6, 3s square, 3p3. And the second part of this question is, we have to find out the which of the elements, whether nitrogen or phosphorus, have more electronegativity. So first we discuss the what is electronegativity. We know that on going from top to bottom in a group, non-metallic character decrease, then non-metallic character of any element is characterized by its tendency to lose electrons, that's electronegativity. Hence electronegativity decrease on going from top to bottom in a group. Therefore nitrogen is more electronegative than phosphorus. So you have to write this answer in your assignment. I hope you understood my explanation. If you understood, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Let's talk about the question number 4. In the question number 4, we have to discuss about a device which convert solar energy into electrical energy. So the answer is solar cell. The solar cell is a device which converts solar energy into electrical energy. Solar energy is a alternative source of energy. When the solar cell is placed in sunlight, it develops 0.5 to 1.0 volt and also give 0.7 watt electric energy. And this place you have to draw the figure of solar cell. Draw the figure of solar cell here. Now let's talk about the characteristics, means construction or structure of solar cell. Solar cell consists of silicon material that is semiconductor and easily present in nature. To make a solar panel, many solar cells are connected to each other. And what is the profit of this solar cell? So basically, solar cell very low maintenance is required. Now second profit is it's give pollution free energy. Third difference, it renewable source of energy. And application of solar cell is it is used in artificial fertilizer. Second, twice signal etc. also used. In this way, question number 4 is completed. Now talk about the question number 5, in which we have to find out the how will to knowledge of heredity help us in maximize the crop production. So answer of this question will be like this. Answer: the knowledge of heredity help us to maximize the crop production as we become more knowledge about feeds or crops, so it will increase our crop yields, reduced cost, food or drug protection, reduced need for pesticides or lots of things. Hence, in these things, knowledge of heredity about plants help us. So in this way, your all the question of assignment number 2 for the science subject has been completed. I hope you enjoy my explanation. If you like my explanation, please subscribe my channel, like my video and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Let's see again for the next assignment.